Sau đây chúng ta sẽ cùng đến với topic sports. 1. Do you like playing sports? Absolutely. I love playing sports, especially I'm a big fan of basketball. I have played basketball since the age of 15. In the afternoon, I spend too much time playing basketball with my best friend. 2. What benefits of sports bring us? I love playing basketball because it gives me many great benefits such as healthy life, keep fit, full of energy and power, solidarity, and make new friends. Besides, it makes me feel comfortable and confident more and more. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.